Lord have mercy, right? And I'm going to give you some good news for Essex counties right now. So as we zoom in, this was a tornado warning that has expired. However, it's still got the rotation there. And remember last night I was saying if you have the magenta color, and that's what we've been watching earlier today, that you could have strong updrafts, downdrafts. All you needed was rotation at the surface as it's showing here. And that's why the radar popped this as a tornado, a possible tornado. And it's right by Cliffside Park, Union City, Newark. What I'm going to do is tell you if you're in Fort Lee, you're going to see heavy downpours. You're going to see wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour. You can see localized flooding at about 6:30. Fort Lee, 6:34. Cliffside Park, about the same. Let's go Kingsland at 6:15. So the good news, that's not a tornado warning. Here's what's fascinating to me. I did a Facebook Live, and you can see this on Pix 11, right, at 4:15. And this tornado warning had popped up while we were doing it. It continues. The tornado warning for Bucks and for Burlington, for Mercer, for Middlesex, Ewing, Hamilton, Lower Makefield, and Trenton. When you see not only the yellow rotation, and we had the red pop up a bit ago, that is very problematic. That probably is actually a tornado. We don't know. We'll have to see what happens when we find out if there's any damage, if it actually touched down. But I'll tell you this, if you're in Freehold or if you're in Old Mill Farm, if you're in these areas in Ewing, 636 Twins River, 623 Meadows Terrace, East Windsor, right now in about, 11 minutes, you got to take cover. Your phone's probably going off. It's buzzing and it's trying to scare you because it wants you to get in the basement if you have a house. If you don't have a house, you're in the apartment, then you go to an interior room. You're saying, well, Byron, is there a better place than going to an interior room? Well, away from the windows and the bathroom. Believe it or not, in the tub, that's the best place to go. So we have still a line of thunderstorms to the west. And look at all this rotation here, indicating that there's a possibility of tornadoes here. So from 640 Newark, this is round 2, 655 for the city, and then Queens at 714. I have to get back here towards Oxford where I'm off the screen to say it's almost out of here. So we're probably talking another hour or two of this, and the rain FUTURECAST says that's correct. At 7 o'clock, it's popping magenta up in Orangetown, not good. And this is very not good. This is awfully bad. 8 p.m. it says here that we've got the magenta again over Hamilton Beach and Richmond Hill through JFK, making its way to Valley Stream by about 8:20. That, if it has the rotation at the surface, that could be a tornado, even into Long Island. There's better weather ahead. I'll tell you this real quickly. Our temperatures are in the 70s now. Tomorrow is going to be fantastic. We just got to get out of this real quick, and I've got to get off the air. But I'll tell you, 82 tomorrow. God bless everybody in those areas. Call your friends if you know anybody there in that area. Call them up, tell them to take cover.